at the Zach dance. You are so good at it. Look at that footwork. Oh, we just got done watching the Megan and Zach video, didn't we?
Yeah.
What'd you think of it?
Very funny.
Very funny. Did you like their new house? Logie, turn around. Did you like their new house?
Yep.
How about that hiding spot in the closet there?
Yeah.
What about those geckos? Ow, are you okay? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Here, come up here. What do you want to say to Maggie and Zach?
Thank you
Thank you for what?
for letting me come and visit.
Yeah, that's going to be fun when we come and visit, huh?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to tell them about?
That's all.
That's all?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you know what you should do? You should look at the camera and say, bye Maggie, bye Zach.
Bye, Maggie. Bye, Zach. What?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to...
Apple.
Apple.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it,